Even without knowing the password, you can still open the combination lock of the suitcase. Let's take a look at the combination lock to find its basic structure. First, there is the combination wheel. There are 10 numbers from 0 to 9 on the outside of the wheel, and each number corresponds to the 10 saw teeth on the inside. These saw teeth mesh with the saw teeth on another hub that is sleeved with the combination wheel and rotate together. There is a groove on the outside of the hub, and there is a convex tooth on the inside corresponding to the groove, which can just pass through an axle with a groove, and there are 3 positions with smaller diameters on the axle. When the hub is in this position, it can rotate freely, and when the convex teeth are aligned with the grooves on the axle can move back and forth. There are generally 3 groups of combination wheels. That is, when the convex rulers of the 3 hubs are aligned with the grooves on the axle at the same time, the axle can move to unlock. Note that at this time, the groove on the outside of the hub, just mentioned, also corresponds to the groove on the axle on the same line. At this time, the combination lock shows it is the correct password, and it is the groove on the wheel hub that becomes the loophole of the combination lock. We can use a flashlight to illuminate the gap next to the combination wheel to see this groove. We can rotate the 3 combination wheels so that the 3 grooves are aligned upward in a straight line, and then write down the number. At this time, advance 5 digits to each combination wheel at the same time. The combination wheel has also rotated half a circle, and the convex scales of the 3 combination wheel hubs are just aligned with the grooves on the wheel axle. At this time, the number you see on the combination lock is the correct password. Of course, there are also such horizontal combination locks. In fact, you can also see the groove, but you only need to enter 2 or 3 digits. Some locks even have an observation window next to the combination wheel, just in case you forget the password, but 90% of people don't know how to decode and brute force unlock. Now you know it. You can try it immediately, but the premise is that it must be your own combination box. Otherwise, according to our country's laws, you will receive a pair of silver bracelets.